Comas Tátu. Hello there, Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to teach you how to say the expression no pain, no gain in Irish. So first of all, the word for proverb in Irish is seanchail, literally meaning old word. And in Irish we have two proverbs which roughly correspond to that expression no pain, no gain in English. Like the English, they each contain just 4 words, and like the English, each one of them rhymes. So the first of these is níl pá gan chrá. Again, níl pá gan chrá. And one more time, níl pá gan chrá. So a literal translation of that little expression is there is no pay or wage without torment, distress or sorrow. Níl pá gan chrá. So let's just take a little look at the grammar of this seanchail. So níl is simply the negative form of the verb be, to be, in the present tense. So it's meaning, in this case, there isn't. The next word is a noun, pá. As we say, pay or wage. Gone is a simple preposition which means without. And when we use this simple preposition following individual nouns beginning with B, C, G, M or P, take what's called séimhiú in Irish, which is aspiration. So this means that the following noun, chrá, is becoming chrá. So it's going from C or A fada to CH or A fada. So, níl pá gan chrá. Okay, and then the second little expression which corresponds to no pain, no gain is níl bua gan dua. Níl bua gan dua. And one more time, níl bua gan dua. So literally translated, this means there isn't victory without toil or hardship. And in terms of the grammar, the construction of this is very similar to the first little expression that we looked at. So we have níl, again meaning there isn't, and then we have bua, which means victory. Then again we have the simple preposition gan, meaning without, and then we have the noun dua, meaning toil or hardship. Now in the first case we had gan chrá, we had what we call séimhiú or aspiration after gan. In this expression, níl bua gan dua, dua does not take séimhiú or aspiration because nouns beginning with D, S or T and most of the nouns that begin with F do not take aspiration after gan. Okay, so no pain, no gain. You may say níl pá gan chrá, or as I just said, you may say níl bua gan dua. And in case of níl bua gan dua, if you're just to take away the níl, isn't, the expression bua gan dua by itself means a walkover in terms of a walkover victory. So we might say the bua gan dua ag fuireann chiaí inné. So that would be the Kerry team had a walkover victory yesterday. Okay, so I hope that you've enjoyed this little chat about no pain, no gain and how to say it in Irish. If you'd like to learn some more Irish with Bite Size Irish, then why not download our Irish for Beginners. That's a free Irish language conversational starter course. The link is in the description below. Wimshe Ben, Gideon Hiadorella, from me Ben, until the next time, slán go fóill, bye for now.